Frustrated residents living in one St. Ann community are upset with their political representatives about a lack of water and poor road conditions. On Monday, the residents blocked sections of the Higgintown Main Road, demanding that their issues be addressed. However, the Member of Parliament, Lisa Hanna, says a project to use a well to supply water to the residents in the area has been put on hold, and that has contributed to the problem. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell-Pullen reports.
A Monday morning journey into Higgintown, southeast St. Ann. Several downed trees, stones scattered across the roadway, props in a protest. A few meters away, a crowd gathers. These are the people desperately trying to get the attention of the authorities.
We don't want no chicken, we don't want no cob, we don't want no fowl feeding, we want water and we want road.
Them say them a dig well long a place from Wappy King kill fellow. And every time they come, they can't tell me nothing about the well. So me find out if a thief them thief the well. A right pipe they can't find if them get the pipe them from foreign for run the water or what.
But the residents say they have been dealing with the issues of no road and water for years. Their patience is wearing thin.
Me ever got man to go be a King song when me want be in the shower. Or Ochi, me never be in the shower yet, I'm 51.
The police on the scene ensured this protest did not turn ugly.
We're asking residents not to block the road. Demonstrate, but don't block the road.
Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for St. Ann Southeastern, Lisa Hanna, says she's aware of the challenges and is doing all she can to get water trucked to the residents.
The parish council services this area, and we're having problems with all of the parish council tanks because they're empty. So what we're having as well is a problem with the parish council because they have no trucks. I brought the NWC here and the Ministry of Water on several occasions to look at the well. The capped well right down here, sir.
But Communications Manager at the National Water Commission, NWC, Charles Buchanan, said a long-term project was identified to supply water to the residents of Higgintown. He did not reveal the cost of that project, but said it is prohibitive at this time. Meanwhile, Mr. Buchanan says the NWC has been trucking water to Higgintown once per week and occasionally to Fletcher's Land, an area in Higgin Land which falls under the municipal corporation. Shamela Mitchell-Pullen, TVJ News.